Okay. Hey.
Yeah, you are now where you are.
No problem, famous, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so Huntington Kalunji, my name's. Welcome to the center of the whole world. This is the line that divides the whole world into two equal parts, the north and south. So what I'm gonna.
They are in the south.
This is south, this is north.
North now.
Sudan, Djibouti, Canada, Ethiopia, all this side. Tanzania, Malawi, South Africa, Zimbabwe, all that side. So what you're gonna see now is an experiment. That if you pour water that side at the north, the water spins in the clockwise movement. If you go south, it spins in the anti-clockwise movement. If you're on the line here, it doesn't move. Okay. 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 So north, if I pour water here, you're going to see it spinning clockwise. Then at the southern hemisphere, it will change and spins in an anti-clockwise movement. But on the line, water doesn't spin. It stays still and drops straight down. So what I'm doing now, I'm trying to calm down the water. Then after calm down the water, you see, it's turning like a clock. So all the northern countries, in the sink, in the toilet, in the bath, when you flush, it goes like this. And next month, 21 of March and 23 of September, that's when the sun will be overhead at the equator. We call those two dates equinox. Midday, there will be no shadow, being that the sun will be directly overhead. That's on March 21 and September 23. Now you have seen clockwise. Let's go south of the equator and see. Come, go to the southern part. So we are crossing out to the southern hemisphere. So remember, I've been to the northern hemisphere. It has been turning like a clock. Now we're in the southern. Southern has to change and turns in an anti-clockwise movement. Okay? It's countries like Rwanda, Burundi, Zimbabwe, Zambia, South Africa, all the sinks, all the toilet behave like that. Anti-clockwise. Because we're in the south. Clockwise in the north, anti-clockwise in the south. Then you need to see what will happen at the zero, at the equator line, where there's no clockwise, there's no anti-clockwise movement. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go and see that. Let's go and prove that. This is the line that divides the whole world into two equal parts. And those parts are called hemispheres, the northern and the southern hemisphere. And it crossed by only 13 countries. There are only 13 countries. Okay? We need to see what happened to the water here on the line. There's nothing. It doesn't know where to go because it's right exactly at the center. Countries, Africa, we have Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Gabon, Congo DRC, Congo Brazzaville, Sao Tome. Then out of Africa goes to Indonesia, Colombia, Ecuador, Brazil, Gorontalo and Borneo, which are crossed by the equator line. In Uganda, there are 6 districts which are having this line. There is Wakiso, Mpiji, where we are now, Kalungu, Sembabwe, Ibanda, and Kasese. Only 6 districts. And there are 2 lakes in Uganda, Lake Victoria. Okay? They say when you're here, you're lighter by 3%, your body weight. Yeah. If you're 100 kilograms here, you'll be 97. But the moment you leave the line, okay? Here's normal, lighter when on the line. Now you could take your pictures at the equator line, okay?